Let's take a test drive, okay? Test drive. Okay, test drive. What car can I choose here? Okay, choose the golden van instead. Okay, golden van is spawners. Golden van, okay. Dus please like and subscribe to our video guys. See you next time. See you again, okay? Okay. Dan ga ik af voor test drive. Bra. Oh my god, man. What is this? Okay. I gotta leave my manners today. So guys, I'm gonna get back on the car. What? Steal my car, okay? Bazooka. Oh. Guys, there's a cheat, guys. Cheat. So I'm gonna use a cheat code like to spawn my van again, there, guys. Just spawn my van again. Maybe we see if it work. Okay, spawn motorbike, okay. Let's take it for drive. Let's take it for drive, okay. Guys, if you want this game, please like and subscribe. Over like this. Okay. The small straight drive. That complete enemies, guys. You can never watch TV, guys. So I'm gonna show you. You put the movie when I got in the movie. And seem like, oh my god, I'm gonna pause my house. Camera nieuw voor je guys.
Is bezig met iets in ons met uitvind wat hij springt om elke hoekendraai uit. Hou oog hier om recht zo. Ja goed, vat door ons nou. Ons gaan hulle een vir een uitsorteer.
Guys,
Ons haal hier allemaal wat uit.
zo bij mijn huis.
Ons kan het maar later weg. Kijk, daar in mijn is ook propvol. Ons zal dit moet leegmaken en deur het gaan. Maar
This is my bedroom. This is my dining kitchen room. Kitchen stuff, yeah, it's it. Yeah, upstairs. Right here. And this is my room. So, bro, follow me, bro. Follow me. Follow me. Come follow me. Okay? Just follow me. I ask him to follow me. So, this is my room. It's fine, but you can go now, fine. If this, here is my watching on my watch TV, 3 here, okay? But yeah, today I'm shoot over the channel. What can you shoot over the channel? Do the TV. And say good day. If you guys watch the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.